Move to the side, Dad.
Right here.
Here we go. So this goes here, and this goes in the wall.
Okay. The
This is
charge.
how- This is how you charge.
Got it.
So put this down right here.
Uh-huh.
Lift this up.
Seat
See
goes
Oh.
it comes up.
up. Good.
Okay. Lift this up. The battery comes off. Now lift this up.
Uh-huh.
This part goes this way. That part goes that way.
Wow.
Now put
Can you
this
do
down. You turn it down. Everything goes down.
Okay.
Can you do it
So
yourself,
you have
Dad?
1, 2, 3 pieces,
Yeah, we got
and it's very easy to carry. It's very simple.
okay.
Yeah, you got it.
Does he
so.
know?
Okay.
Yeah, but
Do
maybe
it
I
again.
should do it.
Okay. So here we're gonna do this.
'Cause we're gonna take it apart and put it in the car, so maybe let me go ahead and take it apart.
Do this one first, Dad.
Okay. So seat comes up. Right?
Yep.
Seat comes up. Battery comes out.
Yep.
Battery up. Battery comes out.
So lift that up. The handle.
Lifts this handle up.
Yep.
This comes apart.
Yep.
Oh my
All right, now
goodness.
put this down. Put that down.
Put this down.
Towards your way.
Like,
Towards this way.
like that.
Like this. This is how you're gonna do it.
Okay.
Now you see these 1 and 2.
Yeah.
So they have to line up here,
Got it.
right? And you put your foot over here.
Uh-huh.
Ah.
Nice and easy.
Do you know
There
how
it
to
goes.
put it back? You do
If it
it.
doesn't click, it's not
in.
gonna run.
It's not in.
You
right?
do it again, Dad.
Yeah, no, I got it.
No, you don't.
No, it is easy.
See? I told you.
Put it like that.
Yeah.
Just put it like that.
Line it up.
Line this guy up right here.
Yeah. Put your foot.
Put my foot
Yes.
right here.
Click. It did not click.
No, good.
Uh-oh.
There.
There
Get the
you
battery
go.
back on. Okay. Put the seat on.
Put the seat on.
Goes in the hole. Yep. There we go. Now, if the seat is turned, it will never come up. Seat has to be facing this way.
Okay.
Now, this one, turn the handle down, turn the knob,
Uh-huh.
and it goes flat.
Okay.
And the basket, you can leave it on there. You got a van.
Got it. Well, I guess I'll go
Alright.
check it in right now and leave it here because we don't need it right now.
You don't need it
We're
right
gonna go to
now.
the beach and then come back around.
Are you
7.
sure you don't need it right now?
We're at the we're not going to the board. We're going to the beach, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Then we're
Okay.
coming back to the hotel.
All right.
So I don't need it in the car right now.
Yeah.
So I'll check it in now.